if somebody is listening right now and maybe they're you, like, 8 years ago when you were struggling to get by, or however long that was exactly, and they're trying to figure out what their next step is, what words of encouragement would you say to that person?
Man, I would say that, man, those times right there are the true testament. They're the true testing powers of your character right there. So, like, really lean into the situation and figure out, who you are, because I know in those moments that's where everybody's gonna fail. If you get stronger, smarter in these moments, then when times are good, you're gonna completely kill everybody. Because these times when you're struggling, I wish I would have thought like this back then though. Like, that is where I was made, when I didn't have the answers, when I didn't have, when I found out who I was as a man. That's so now that things are going well, like, nobody's got nothing on me right now. Like, you know what I mean? That's the way I feel inside because of that time right there. If I had it
Yeah.
easy, if I had it easy on the way up and I was at this point right now, anything could probably shake me because I've just never experienced the test, the pain, the suffering, who I was. So like right now, I just feel like, man, like it's easy, like it's butter right now. You know what I mean? Because when I was back there, and like I literally remember at some points like just living on faith, right? Literally just living on faith, like having
Yeah.
$20, a $20 bill, and having to like put some in the gas tank for the mower, some for the truck to keep me going, and then for some water, and be like, someone's got to say yes today, like, because I ain't got nothing left, like, you know what I mean? Like, and I remember those type of times, like little tears rolling down, but I was like, man, you ain't no bitch, let's go get a sale, let's make 50. Okay, somebody said yes, I made another 50 for the day. I made another 50. Like, I remember those type of times, and like just testing my character of like, how bad do you really want it? Because I could have just gave up and got a job, or asked mom to whatever, you know what I mean? But I just like that built my character as a man, as an entrepreneur, like, and just tested my metal, you know what I mean? So now when things are going good, when things get shaky, like I don't get rocked much. I don't get rocked.
Yeah.
So I would say like take that in and identify with your soul, like dude, like that's who you are right there. However you
Yeah.
however however you however you however you adjust to that situation is what's gonna make you in the future. So I don't know if that makes sense or not, but like
I completely understand and think it makes a lot of sense, especially for people like, yeah, like you're saying, is like, that is part of your process, is the suffering, right? I remember, like, I always talk to my guys about this, like my first flip, like I did all the work. I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I had my uncle telling me it was terrible. I hated it. It was the worst thing in the world. I had paint all over my head, all over everything. And I'm like, but I wouldn't change it, right? Like, because I was like, I'm never doing that again. But like, it's part of the process. So I totally get it, man.